Have you ever accidentally deleted an important folder or emptied the recycle bin? That sudden panic is real, especially when the file contains important work, personal photos, or valuable documents. But don't worry, your lost files may still be recoverable. In this video, I will show you how to recover accidentally deleted or lost data instantly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the website shown on the screen. The software we are going to use is called RecoveryFox AI, developed by WonderFox. It is a Windows recovery tool that helps restore deleted or lost files from hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, and memory cards. On the home page, click the free download button. You can download the application, scan your drive, view the detected files, and preview supported files for free. Once RecoveryFox AI opens, you will see the main interface displaying all the available storage locations. Here, you can access your internal drives, external hard drives, USB devices, memory cards, desktop folder, and recycle bin. For this demonstration, I am going to recover a file that was accidentally deleted from the recycle bin. Before starting the scan, make sure you select the location where your missing file was originally stored. For example, if the file was deleted from a USB flash drive, connect the USB drive to your computer before opening the software. Once Windows detects it, the USB drive should appear under the Your Drives section. Now, move your mouse over the drive or location containing the missing files. You will see the Click to Start Scan option. Click on it, and the software will automatically begin searching for your deleted files. The scanning process may take some time, especially if you are scanning a large hard drive or a drive containing thousands of files. So, be patient and allow the software to complete the scan properly. At the bottom of the screen, you can monitor the scanning percentage, the number of files detected, and the number of files selected for recovery. As you can see, the scanning process is now complete, and the software has detected the deleted files. Carefully find and select the file you want to restore. Once you have selected it, click the Recover button. Choose a safe location where you want to save the recovered file. And there it is! The deleted file has been recovered with its original name. It feels great to see an important file return after you thought it was permanently gone. So, this is how you can recover accidentally deleted or lost files using RecoveryFox AI. You can download and try the software using the link provided in the description box. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful software tutorials. Thanks for watching.